In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new pipeline in Pipedrive. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a pipeline that matches your sales process from start to finish. First, make sure you're logged into your Pipedrive account and looking at the main dashboard. To get started, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the left sidebar, find and click on the section labeled Deals. This is where all of your pipelines and active deals are managed, so anytime you're working with pipelines, this is your starting point. Once you're in the Deals view, turn your attention to the top center of the page. There, you'll see a drop-down that shows the name of your current pipeline. Click on this pipeline drop-down. This menu lets you switch between existing pipelines and also create new ones, which is what we're going to do now. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option that says New Pipeline with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and select New Pipeline. This opens up the setup view for your brand new pipeline. Now you'll be asked to name your pipeline and add stages. Start by giving your pipeline a clear, descriptive name that reflects the process it represents. For example, you might name it something like New Sales Pipeline, Onboarding, or Partnership Deals, depending on how you plan to use it. A good name makes it easier for you and your team to immediately recognize what this pipeline is for. Next, add the stages your deals will move through. Think of stages as the steps in your process, from the moment a deal is created until it's won or lost. Common examples might include lead-in, contact made, proposal sent, and negotiation, but you should customize these to match your own workflow. Take a moment to put them in a logical order so that moving deals from left to right feels natural and intuitive. Once you're happy with the pipeline name and the stage structure, move your eyes to the top right corner of the screen and click on Save Changes. This will create and store your new pipeline in Pipedrive. After saving, you'll be taken back to the Deals view, now showing your newly created pipeline. From here, you can start adding deals and using your new setup right away.